Hello guys, welcome to this session. We're still discussing about the simple cell. And today let's move on further discussing about the secondary cell. We discussed the previously that this is the cell which can be recharged after it has run down or it has simply been used. Now, we said that it is done by passing the DC current from the dynamo or similar device to the cell in the opposite direction, so that in which the cell usually supplies current in an external circuit. We said that these secondary cells can also be called as the storage cells or the accumulators. We said that there are some common accumulators, such as the lead acid accumulators, there's nickel cadmium accumulators, and alkaline and the coordinate accumulators. So in this video, we'll move on further discussing about the mode of action of the lead acid accumulator as one of the kind of the accumulators. The lead acid uh, accumulator cell, it consists simply of the two plates of the lead that are immersed in a sulfuric acid, whereby the acid is in the plastic container. Two or more cells can also be connected from the battery, and the positive terminal is the lead for oxide and the negative terminal is the lead. So these are just the main components or that structure out this the lead acid accumulator. Consists of the acid that is immersed in a two place uh, of the lead. Then the acid is the one that is in plastic container, and also the two or more cells are there, just can also be connected from the battery, and the positive terminal is what we call the lead for oxide, while the negative terminal is the lead. So these are the main components of this lead acid accumulator. Now also there is wood rubber or separator or insulator in this lead acid accumulator, and the cathode electrode is there as the lead plate, and the anode electrode is there as the lead for oxide. Now, before we have to note that before the accumulator is used, it has to be charged. So that's briefly in this video. In our next video, we'll see how you can charge and discharge these kinds of accumulators. Thank you.